All right, let's make a HomeKit integration with FieldDay. So you start by creating a project, and I'm going to try to control 3 different lights in my living room. So when you add a smart light, you just create a category. You can also choose the color of that specific category. So here I'm calling this the couch. It's kind of like the corner of my house with a smart hue lamp. Then here's a hue bulb that I have on this side table. So I'm just going to call it a side table. And then got that. And then finally, I have a bunch of like Christmas tree or fairy lights in my fireplace hooked up to a smart switch. So I'm going to call this one fireplace. And now we just need to sort of collect a couple images to teach the custom AI that when it sees one of these areas of my house or a specific lamp, it will pull up the controls for that specific lamp. So I'm just collecting like a variety of images from different angles, kind of making a scan. And then the quantities are in the bottom right as well as you collect the images. So you can see I'm doing about 100 samples per lamp or per category. And I think, if you have more time or if you want to make it more robust, you should probably like turn off more of the lights in your home and collect images when it's a bit darker or even when the lamps are off and on. So you just get like a really good variety to teach the algorithm what it's looking at. Here I'm just getting this kind of like stick in the corner. We're almost at a little past 100 there. Then finally you have to collect a little bit of a category called background, which is trying to show it what it should not look for. I accidentally collected some images of the couch lamp, so actually I just need to delete that. And yeah, here's just basically to show your algorithm or the camera when it doesn't see a lamp, and it sees sort of like other objects or other things in your home. Don't pull up any controls or any triggers. So I'm just going around kind of capturing the remainder of my house where there's nothing that needs to be controlled or identified as background. And when I'm done, automatically a model starts training. And you can see up there it says creating model. In the meantime, I can hook up my smart lamps. So you go over to categories and actions, and you'll see there's a plus by each lamp. And then it pulls up all of the devices in your HomeKit. And so you can just easily select the lamp and then select the lamp that and how it's labeled in HomeKit. So I'm going to do that also with fireplace, and all 3 are enabled. So once the machine learning model is done learning, we'll be ready to go. I sped this up. It takes I think it took me about 3 or 4 minutes. But yeah, sped it up for the sake of this tutorial. And this really depends on the amount of data you collect. So say like 100 to 500 images per lamp with a variety of images really helps. And then the model is done. And you'll be able to see the predictions coming in at the top. We hit the preview button at the top right. And now you can control your lamps. So it's identifying this living room lamp. You can tap on it to control the dimness. We'll go around searching for the next thing. It sees the fireplace, switch it off, switch it back on. This one got a little tripped up because I didn't collect images of when the fireplace is off, so I'll just need to go back and collect a little bit more to teach you what it looks like when the fireplace does not have lights on. And yeah, same goes for this side table light as well. And that's it.